The first question is divide 56 in 4 parts in AP such that, just a second, the ratio of their extremes, you will be able to do it. Okay, let me tell you, you will be able to do it. To the product of means is 5 is to 6. This is one of the question, and one more we are having. After that, we'll be continuing with our circle. We'll be starting circle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is ratio of the extremes be?
Ratio of the extreme be, if I'm saying that 4 numbers we are having A, B, C, D, then this A and B, these two are the extreme numbers sitting at the extreme end, and these two are the number which is sitting in the middle called the mean. Are you getting it? Yes. Everyone doing it? I need to give more time, or you want me to discuss it?
Ma'am, discuss it.
Yeah, we'll be discussing. Okay, so let's discuss it. We are having here the question says that when I was writing the question, I said that yeah, you will be able to do it. Okay, because we have discussed this type of question. However, when I was going through the paper, I found the language is completely different. Even if you have practiced this type of question, there is a chance that you will end up getting confused. Think about it. Divide 56 in 4 part in AP. Okay, such that whatever. Okay, divide AP, divide 56 in 4 parts. Suppose 56 we have to divide in 4 parts. First is A, second is B, third is C, and the fourth one is D. Okay, this ABCD must be in AP. That's what the question says. That's divided in such a way that all the 4 terms, when you will write it, it must create a arithmetic sequence. Okay, after that the ratios and all one more condition is given. Now from here, are we getting that sum of A, B, C and D will be 56? Yes or no?
Yes.
So basically, rather than writing that we are having 4 term which is in AP and sum of the term is 56, rather than writing it straightforward way, the statement is given this way, that divide 56 in 4 part. Okay, we are having 4 terms which is in AP and the sum of those 4 terms will be 56. Okay, so whenever I was telling you in last class, whenever you have to assume 4 terms which must be in AP, we will not be taking the from the general term, that is first term is A, next term is A plus D, next term is A plus 2D, and next term is A plus 3D. For consecutive term, we will not be taking like this. Whenever the question says that sum of 4 terms, when the question is talking about 4 consecutive term, or maybe 3 consecutive term, or maybe 5 consecutive term, or maybe 6 consecutive term, we will not be taking this AP. So which AP will be taking? We were having discussion about that in the previous class, that we'll be taking AP, special AP will be taking. When it says for 3 terms, we will be taking AP like this. The one of the term A, previous term of this one A minus D, and next of A will be A plus D. If we will take 3 terms in this manner, still it is in AP. If you want to check, check it. The second term minus first term. Okay. Here the common difference you will get A minus A plus D. Common difference is D over here. Even if this common difference will be 2D, 3D, whatever, but the differences has to be same. AP means what? The differences has to be same. Difference can be D, can be 2D, can be 3D, can be 4D, whatever the difference is there, that those differences has to be same. That's what the one and only one condition we are having for arithmetic sequence. Here, when you will be doing the subtraction a plus d minus a, still you will be getting POT. When we will be taking four terms, when the question is talking about four terms which is in AP, we will be taking four terms like this: a minus 3d, okay, and then a minus d, and then a plus d, and a plus 3d. These are the four terms we'll be taking. Is it in AP? Let's check it over here. Let's check it. When you will be finding the common difference, it will be a minus d minus a minus 3d. When you will be opening the bracket, it will become minus a plus 3d. And the difference we are getting over here, minus d plus 3d, 2d. Here also, when you will be finding the difference, you will be getting the third term minus second term, a plus d minus a plus d, a gone, and 2d we are getting. Here also, when you will do the subtraction, you will be getting, you can understand that day we were taking the alternate term. So of course 2d will be the common difference. Is it allowed? Oh yes. AP means what? Common difference can be zero, can be negative, can be positive, but it has to be common. Okay, it has to be common. So here, these four terms are in AP, right? Here, from here also you will be getting 2D only. 2D, 2D, differences are common. These four terms are in AP. Now, have I said last day that if the question is talking about five term, or if the question is talking about six term, what you will be taking? Okay, if the question is talking about five term, then three terms, these are the three term. Okay, let me write the general sequence. First is a, next is a plus d, next is a plus 2d, next is a plus 3d, okay, next one is a plus 4d, next one is a plus 5d. Like that the sequence will go. This is the general sequence we are having, which you have learned when we have discussed the chapter A. Okay, now here only we are doing little bit of changes. We are saying that previous term of a will be a minus d, previous term of this one will be a minus 2d, previous term of this one will be a minus 3d, previous term of this one will be a minus 4d, and previous term of this one will be a minus 5d. Now while taking the three term, we have taken three terms very carefully. We have taken a plus d, and a minus d. Why we have taken like this? Because when we will be doing the sum, all the d will get just cancel out, and clearly we'll be just having a plus a plus a, that is 3a, and easily we will be able to find the a value. Okay, so why not we are doing from the previous scenario? If you will be doing like that, like, so much time you need to give for doing the calculation. That's why we are taking it like this. Whoever was present in the previous class, we have had detailed discussion from here. Now the question was, if we'll be having five term, in the question it says, just a second, just a second. So now you will be able to solve the question from here. I was talking about when, how we'll be taking five term, how we'll be taking six term. I'm explaining it to you. Okay, I'm coming to this one. Meanwhile, I'm writing one question on the screen. Please try it. Okay, I'm coming to this part. Yeah, this one is the question. Sumaya, please join the breakout room. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Please join.
Ma'am, can you share the screen again with the question?
Yeah.
And then you got 20.
No.
24.
No.
Yeah.
24 plus 24.
48. 48 in what?
I got 49 in 18.
On your mic is on.
In. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Are we supposed to leave this meeting and like rejoin or something?
Yes. Have you done that? Yes, students.
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance to write down the whole question down.
Okay, when I just moved to another room, then the screen also stopped, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. Okay, we'll be doing it. So now we were discussing. I'm coming coming to this one. We are having the general form of AP looks like I'm starting from the basic. Okay, because there are few students who are not getting it at all. That what I'm talking about. So we are suppose our AP looks like 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. This is one of the AP I have written where the differences are common, right? Now when we have discussed the arithmetic progression chapter, we realize that the general form of AP we can write if the first term is A and the common difference is D. Then the general form will be first term A, next term will be A plus D. Here also you can check it is becoming A plus D. Common difference D over here is 2 and A is also. Next term is A plus 2D. Next term is A plus 3D. Next term is A plus 4D. Next term is A plus 5D. Like that, it will just keep on going. Okay. Now, now, when we are having a question where it is given that sum of three terms is, let's say, 18. If in the question is given like this, and if you will be taking three consecutive terms while solving this type of question, if you will be taking three consecutive terms as a plus d, a plus 2d, let's take it. It will become a, then a plus d, then a plus 2d. It will become 3a plus 3d is equals to 18. Okay, that means a plus d will be 18 by 3. A plus D will be having 6. Okay. And in this type of question, which type of question I'm talking about again and again? This type of question. Okay. Divide 56 in 4 parts in AP such that the ratio of their extremes. So basically the statement says that 4 terms which are in AP and their sum is 56. This is what the meaning of this statement is. That divide 56 in 4 parts. Think about it. Think about it. 56, if you will, I am having 100 rupees. I am dividing it in 4 parts. 10, then 20, then then 50, then 20 again. If I am dividing rupees 100 in 4 parts, then can we say that sum of all is 100? Yes or no? Can we say that sum of all 4 will be 100? We can say that, right?
Yes.
Right? Okay. Similarly, here also, if you are dividing 56, if you are dividing 56 in 4 parts, that means, and all the 4 parts must be in AP. Okay, that means you need to take 4 such terms, which creates AP, and sum of all must be 56. 4 such term which is in AP and sum of all must be 56. Okay, and the next condition says that such that such that the ratio of their extremes, so whatever numbers you have taken is sitting on the extreme end, they are such that the ratio of their extreme. Okay, the product I have not written, that's why Maha said that what is the meaning of ratio of extreme. Product of, this terminology is missing. Product of, okay, product of their extreme multiplication between the extreme to the product of mean. Ratio of what? Ratio of what? Here, ratio of multiplication between ratio of product of extreme to the product of mean. So if you are saying you have taken A, B, C, D, okay, this all added together is making 56. That means ratio, just product of this one and this one, AD, by the product of middle terms, BC, that ratio is given over. But we are not going to take ABCD. We have to choose the term very carefully. Now I say to you, we will not be choosing from this sequence A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Okay, this is how we will not be choosing. We will not be taking A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D. If we will be taking it like this, your calculation will be very huge. If you want to check, please check it. If you will be taking, suppose 4 terms we are having, which is A, next is A plus D, next is A plus 2D, and next is A plus 3D. Okay, let's add them all. Let's add them all. A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, and then A plus 3D. If addition of all is given as a 56, right? Product of extreme numbers, extreme terms, that means A into A plus 3D, divided by product of middle terms, that's what is written in the question. A into D, A plus 2D, that is given as a what? That is given as 5 is to 6. 5 is to 6, right? Let me write
Yes.
it. 5 is to 6. Now think about it. If we will be solving it, let's try solving it. So A, A, 4A we are having. D, 2D, 3D. That means D, then 2D, 3D, and then 3D. That means 6D. That is 56. This is one of the equation we are getting, which we can reduce by taking 2 common. Okay, let's take 2 common. We'll be having 2A plus 3D is equals to 56 by 2. That means 2 times 4, 2 8 times 60. 28 we are getting. This is one of the equation we are getting. Now think about it. Here what you will be getting? You will be getting A square plus 3A. Okay, in denominator, can you see? Huge term we will end up getting if you will apply distributive property to multiply these two like terms, these two binomials. If you will do the multiplication by using distributive property, are you getting it? The calculation will be huge. You need to take out A or D from here. You need to put that A over here. It will be like so much of calculation you will end up having, which may or may not be solved. That's why I am saying whenever the question says 4 terms are in AP, please don't take these 4 terms. You have to work smartly. You need to pick 4 such terms where the first equation will be simple, not this, not like this, and the second equation also. Okay, so we will be choosing our 4 terms. A plus D, okay, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. ऐसा कुछ हमारा जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ AP दिखता है. इसके पहले वाला टर्म विल बी A माइनस D. इसके पहले जो टर्म होगा वो A माइनस 2D होगा. ओके, इसके पहले ऑफ कोर्स थिंक अबाउट इट. A के पहले वाला टर्म क्या होगा? A माइनस D होगा. ओके, उसके पहले वाला टर्म A माइनस 2D होगा, राइट? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Mahal, you are getting. Sanam, you are getting. Faizan, are you getting? Sumaya, are you getting? अब अगर मैं बोलूं कि A के पहले वाला टर्म के बारे में अगर हम सोचें तो वो A माइनस D होगा. क्या ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sumaya, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
ए के पहले वाला टर्म कॉमन डिफरेंस डी है। ओके, ए के बाद वाला टर्म डी ऐड हो गया, नेक्स्ट टर्म और एक डी ऐड हो गया, नेक्स्ट टर्म और एक डी ऐड हो गया, नेक्स्ट टर्म पिछले वाले टर्म में और एक डी ऐड हो गया, तब जाके हमें फोल्डिंग हुआ। तो ऐसा ही कुछ हमारा यहाँ भी पैटर्न फॉलो होगा। पिछले वाले टर्म में अगर डी ऐड करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट टर्म मिल जाएगा, और देखो ए मिल रहा है। तो यहाँ से हम अंदाजा लगा पा रहे हैं, यहाँ से हम गेस कर पा रहे हैं कि हमारा ए के पहले वाला टर्म ए माइनस डी टाइप का दिखेगा, उसके पहले वाला टर्म ए माइनस टू डी होगा, क्योंकि ए माइनस टू डी में जब डी ऐड करेंगे तो हमें ए माइनस डी मिल जाएगा। ओके, तो ऐसे ही हम कुछ ए के पहले का टर्म भी लिखते हैं। चलो, ए माइनस थ्री डी। ओके, अब हम चार ऐसे टर्म लेके ए पे क्रिएट करेंगे। ए माइनस थ्री डी लेंगे, ओके, ए माइनस डी लेंगे, ऑल्टरनेट टर्म्स हम ले रहे हैं, ए माइनस थ्री डी ले रहे हैं, फिर बीच का हम छोड़ दे रहे हैं, उसके बाद वाला टर्म ले रहे हैं ए माइनस डी, फिर बीच का छोड़ रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद वाला टर्म ए प्लस डी ले रहे हैं, और फिर से बीच का छोड़ के उसके बाद वाला टर्म ए प्लस थ्री डी ले रहे हैं। ऐसे करके हम फोर टर्म्स ले रहे हैं, और बोलेंगे हम कि ये चारों टर्म्स एपी में हैं। इट विल बी इन एपी। एपी का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर मैं यहाँ लिखूं 1 1 1 1 1 1, इज इट इन एपी? यस, इट इज इन एपी। या द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 0। अगर मैं लिखूं 9 7, ओके, 5 3, इज इट इन एपी? ये भी एपी में है। यहाँ कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है? -2। चेक इट। मतलब ऐसा सीक्वेंस जहाँ पे जस्ट डिफरेंस है सेम, डिफरेंस 0 भी हो सकता है, डिफरेंस 1 भी हो सकता है, डिफरेंस डी भी हो सकता है, डिफरेंस 2d भी हो सकता है, डिफरेंस 5d भी हो सकता है, बस सारे डिफरेंसेस, सारे गैप्स सेम होने चाहिए। ऐसे सीक्वेंस को हम एपी बोलते हैं। तो अगर मैं यहाँ लिख दूँ ए माइनस थ्री डी, ए माइनस डी, ए प्लस डी, ए प्लस थ्री डी, क्या ये सारे चारों टर्म एपी में है? These four terms are in AP. Check it. Please check it. Tell me what is the common difference. Yes. What is the common difference? कैसे हम निकालते हैं common difference? Second term लेके
सेकेंड टर्म
माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म करते हैं, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? कॉमन डिफरेंस। ओके, लेट्स डू इट। ए माइनस डी माइनस ए प्लस थ्री डी, it will become minus d plus 3d, that means 2d। इन दोनों के बीच का गैप भी देख लेते हैं, क्या ये भी 2d है? थर्ड टर्म a प्लस डी है हमारा, माइनस सेकेंड टर्म a माइनस डी, क्या ये भी 2d दे रहा है? हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am. 2D.
इट इज इन
अगर हम फोर्थ टर्म में से थर्ड टर्म सब्ट्रैक्ट कर ले रहे हैं तो भी हमें 2d ही मिल रहा है क्या? इट इज इन एपी का मतलब होता है डिफरेंसेस सेम होने चाहिए, और हमने जो रैंडमली चार नंबर पिक किए हैं ये एपी मेंटेन कर रहा है। यहाँ पे डिफरेंसेस कॉमन, द डिफरेंसेस वी हैव गॉट 2d 2d 2d, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ, ये जो सीक्वेंस हमने लिया है ये एपी में है। ओके, क्यों हमने ए माइनस थ्री डी लिया, देन ए माइनस डी लिया, देन ए प्लस डी लिया, देन ए प्लस थ्री डी लिया? क्यों नहीं हमने बीच के टर्म ले लिए, ये ए माइनस टू डी ले लिया, देन ए ले लिया, देन ए प्लस टू डी ले लिया, ओके, एंड देन ए प्लस फोर डी? ऐसे कुछ टर्म्स हमने क्यों क्यों नहीं लिए? क्यों हम जो टर्म लिए ए माइनस थ्री डी, देन ए माइनस डी, देन ए प्लस डी, ऐसे टर्म हमने इसलिए लिए क्योंकि यहाँ अगर हम समेशन अब इन चारों टर्म का समेशन हम करेंगे, जो हमारे क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि चारों को ऐड करके 56 बन रहा है, अगर अब हम इन चारों को ऐड करेंगे ए माइनस थ्री डी, ए माइनस डी, ओके,
I'm getting A equals 14.
यस, ओके, ए प्लस थ्री डी, अगर अब हम इन चारों टर्म को ऐड करके 56 लिखे जो कि क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, ओके, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग इट बाय माई सेल्फ, देन हम यहाँ से देख पाएंगे कि 3D कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, एक प्लस 3D एक माइनस 3D, एक प्लस डी है एक माइनस डी, ये टर्म्स कैंसिल हो रहे हैं और हमारे पास क्या रिमेनिंग बच रहे हैं, ए ए ए दैट मीन्स 4a हमारे पास, a प्लस ए प्लस ए प्लस ए हमारे पास रिमेनिंग बच रहे हैं और यहाँ से इजीली हम a का वैल्यू निकाल पा रहे हैं। पहले जो इतना डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था जब हमने जनरल फॉर्म लेके चारों को ऐड करके 56 लिखा था, तो a एंड b का वैल्यू फाइंड करना इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट होगा। ओके, बट हमने थोड़ा स्मार्टली वर्क किया और ऐसे 4 नंबर को पिक कर लिए जो कि एपी में भी है, और जब चारों को हम ऐड कर रहे हैं देन वी आर गेटिंग इजीली a वैल्यू दैट इज 4 1 टाइम्स 4 4 4 टाइम्स 16 40। अब और एक कंडीशन क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि जब प्रोडक्ट करेंगे एक्सट्रीम एंड पे जो नंबर्स बैठे हैं उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट डिवाइडेड बाय जो मिडिल में जो दो टर्म्स है इन दोनों को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा रेशियो होगा 5:6। ध्यान से देखो, अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एक्सट्रीम नंबर्स को a minus 3d with a plus 3d, we will be getting one of the identity will be getting, okay, a square minus b square. Okay, if I will be writing it like this, that a minus 3d multiplied with a plus 3d over मिडिल टर्म का प्रोडक्ट, मिडिल में a minus d and a plus d ही तो है, that is 5/6। देन ये प्रोडक्ट में भी हमें हेल्प कर रहा है। ओके, यहाँ हमारा प्रोडक्ट भी वेरी इजीली हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करके मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करना पड़ रहा है। ऑलरेडी वी कैन सी a प्लस बी a माइनस बी का पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है और हम a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर यहाँ लिख सकते हैं। एवरीवन गेटिंग इट कि क्यों हमने ये चारों टर्म लिए?
यस मैम।
ओके, अब हम अगर a का वैल्यू यहाँ पे 14 पुट कर देंगे तो हमें इजीली d का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा। गेटिंग इट? चलो फाइंड कर लेते हैं। ओके, a is 14 square, a is 14 square minus d square, here 5/6। now we will be doing this denominator will go over here and will get multiplied, so 6 we need to multiply, 14 square is 196 minus 9d square, and here we are having 5 that will get multiplied with this one will go to other side and will get multiplied, so 14 square is 196 minus d square. Let's simplify it. 6 if we will multiply in 196 it will be 6 6 times 36 carry through, 9 5 times 45, 9 6 times 54, 55 56 57, 1176 minus 9 d square is equals to we are getting this one. I'm just doing the multiplication. Now can you see easily you will be able to solve it for d square. Here we are having minus 54 d square. Here from here 5 d square will come. Okay. तो a and b का value find करना इतना simple नहीं था, but here we are able to do it since we have taken this 4 terms as a a. Are you getting it? Is it crystal clear to all of you?
Yes ma'am.
Sanam, to
Ma'am,
you.
what's the final answer you got?
Let me show you. I have not solved. Okay. Here 980 was there, and 1176 from the other side will come, and we set like that. We'll be having here 5. That means minus 49 d square is equals to 1176 980. If we will do the subtraction, 6 will be getting 9 will be getting 1. Minus 196 d square is 196 549, okay, plus because minus minus cancel. Let's try doing the division. I think 9 4 times 36, yes, 49 4 times, so d square is 4. d का वैल्यू क्या है हमारा? +2 and -2 as well. तो हमारे 4 टर्म्स क्या क्या होंगे? हमने तो 4 टर्म्स अज्यूम किया था a माइनस 3d, a माइनस d, a प्लस d, ऐसे 4 टर्म हमने अज्यूम किया जहाँ पे सम करते ही d एंड d सारे कैंसिल हो जाते हैं। ठीक है, एक बार हम प्लस 2 लेंगे, d इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस 2 लेंगे, एक बार हम d इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 लेंगे। a का वैल्यू, एक ही वैल्यू है हमारे पास 14 दोनों केसेस में. So one by one we will be substituting and we will be writing the final answer. Is it crystal clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.